Hi everyone. So today we have Sony XR-3501 from 1990s. This radio is brand new, never been in the car. It's full set with all manuals and all accessories with the box. But we still did the maintenance for it. We did change the belts, clean the heads, and because it was stored for over 30 years, so you know the belts get hard and something like that. So we didn't manage to install Bluetooth in this one, but the radio itself is in top condition, and let's test it out. Okay, now we'll put the cassette, but don't forget to take out this pin. This is safety pin before you install to your car. It's very simple. Now we can put the cassette. Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Okay, now reverse mode. Works perfect. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Okay. So nice to have one of these in new condition. Perfect. Let's put the safety pin in. It's just for safety. And that's it. Thumbs up.